Emerging platforms for multi-agent systems in AI. Welcome back to AI Foundation Learning, where we delve into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence. Today, we're exploring some of the latest and greatest platforms for multi-agent systems, developed by top companies in the field. First on our list is Google DeepMind. DeepMind has been a pioneer in AI research, and they've developed two significant platforms for multi-agent systems, Spiel and Magent. Spiel is an open-source framework designed for researching reinforcement learning in games, including multi-agent environments. It supports a wide variety of games and algorithms, making it a versatile tool for researchers. On the other hand, Magent is specifically tailored for multi-agent reinforcement learning. It allows for large-scale experiments, providing a robust environment for studying agent interactions. Next up, we have Microsoft with two impressive platforms, Project Bonsai and AIRism. Project Bonsai is an AI platform that focuses on training autonomous agents, including multi-agent scenarios. It's designed to simplify the process of creating intelligent control systems, making it accessible even to those without deep AI expertise. AIRism, originally developed for aerial and ground robotics simulation, is now extending its capabilities to support multi-agent scenarios. This makes it an excellent tool for training autonomous systems in complex environments. Facebook, now Meta, is also making strides in this area with Torchcraft AI and Habitat. Torchcraft AI is a research platform that uses the game StarCraft to study multi-agent learning. It's a great example of how complex games can serve as rich environments for AI research. Habitat, on the other hand, is a platform for embodied AI research that supports multi-agent interactions in simulated environments. It's designed to help researchers train AI agents in realistic, three-dimensional environments. OpenAI, a name synonymous with cutting-edge AI research, offers platforms like OpenAI Gym and the multi-agent particle environment. While OpenAI Gym is primarily known for single-agent environments, it has extensions that support multi-agent scenarios, providing a flexible framework for a wide range of experiments. The multi-agent particle environment, developed by OpenAI, is specifically designed for multi-agent research, allowing for various cooperative and competitive scenarios. Nvidia is another key player with Isaac Gym and Omniverse. Isaac Gym is a high-performance robotics simulation platform that supports multi-agent training scenarios. It's particularly useful for developing and testing collaborative robotics applications. Omniverse, Nvidia's versatile simulation platform, supports complex multi-agent interactions, making it ideal for robotics and autonomous vehicle research. Alibaba's CityBrain is a fascinating platform that leverages multi-agent systems for urban management. It uses AI to optimize traffic, public safety, and other city operations, showcasing the real-world impact of multi-agent systems. Amazon's AWS RoboMaker is a cloud-based simulation service that supports multi-agent robotics simulations. It's designed to facilitate the development and testing of collaborative robotics applications, enhancing the capabilities of autonomous systems. Last but not least, Unity Technologies with their Unity ML Agents Toolkit. This toolkit allows for training intelligent agents in games and simulations, supporting both single-agent and multi-agent environments. It's a powerful tool for game developers and researchers alike. These platforms are at the forefront of multi-agent system research and development, pushing the boundaries of what AI can achieve. Whether you're a researcher, developer, or just an AI enthusiast, these tools offer incredible opportunities to explore and innovate. Thanks for watching.